Welcome back, MEP Goddesses. I'm Heather, and today we're diving into Link and Sync, which is one of my favorite ways to work smarter with Revit and Naviate MEP. So, if we come up here to Accelerate and go to Link and Sync, it's going to open up this other ribbon, and we're going to be using this Export Import button. But before we do that, I want to make a couple quick tweaks. We are going to zero out this elevation and make it completely missed, and we'll pick this one, and this can be like a typo. Instead of 1'6", we're just going to get the 6. Oops, that's 10. There we go. Much better typo. Okay, so we are going to look at the BR panel. Let's go into edit schedule. We've got just a few things in here, nothing too crazy. I'm going to go ahead and highlight these, and we're going to go to Link and Sync and hit Export Import. We're going to go to Export Selection and hit Export. Sure, downloads, that's fine. Yeah, we'll just call it that. Okay, so number of records exported, 11. Cool. Let's open the file. Now, if we are looking at this, this is what I've exported, right? But look at all this information. We've got all these different type parameters, right? We've got, all kinds of stuff. I'm not really going to mess with this at the moment. If we go to the electrical equipment tab, we have even more parameters for electrical equipment. I'm going to move over to the electrical fixtures, and we're going to scroll over and take a look at some of the things. So we've got some circuit numbers. Let's keep on cruising. We've got our default elevation for our receptacles, which is 1.5 feet off the ground. But if we look here, our actual elevations, some of these are incorrect. So quick fix and keep on cruising. Let's go to electrical systems. We've got even more information in here. We've got load phases, all kinds of stuff, right? Our circuit numbers, Taco Tuesday Superstar, that's me. What else we got? Number of elements, panel. Here's our rating. If we wanted to change this from 20 to 30 amp, we can do a quick switch and just drag that guy down. I'm going to hit save. Let us close this. Go back up to Link and Sync, and we're going to import. And I trust it, so let's just import. You can see total number of records updated 6, number of errors none. Cool. So that changed from 20 to 30. Let's go check our receptacles. 1'6", 1'6". So it made all those adjustments. This is a game changer. Total game changer. Let me know your thoughts. All right, bye.